Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and this is RoseJayCreates. And I just wanted to say thank you again for all the support that you've shown me. I am about to post a new video, so I look forward to you guys watching it, leaving comments, leaving a thumbs up, and hopefully if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you're hitting that notification bell. That way, whenever I post videos, you'll get notified and you'll be able to continue to support me and watch all my future videos. And I'm also on Etsy. I have a channel on Etsy, and that is RoseJayCreates as well. And I also have a channel on Instagram, RoseJayCreates as well. And so I look forward to seeing you guys on there and supporting me. And again, guys, thank you for all the support you've shown me, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Okay, guys, so right now what I am doing is adding a little bit of glitter to the center of my molds. I added some of my micro powder in the glitter. I added the micro powder and a little bit of resin, and then I added some glitter with it as well, just to kind of create a sparkly effect for the center part, even though you don't really see it because I'm going to have sticks going between them to make the 3 tiers, but I still wanted it to sort of look like a sort of a cross between a Christmas wreath, a 3-tier Christmas wreath, and a 3-tiered candy cane. So I'm kind of going with a little bit of both. And so all I'm going to do is just finish putting my glitter in the middle of my wreath. Like I said, it'll be an insert in it, so I'm going to push them down to the side just to make sure it doesn't cover it up. But right now, all I'm going to do is just keep adding my glitter to the middle part. Sometimes I feel like my workspace isn't big enough. I swear every time I do a project, I feel like I need a bigger table. But right now, all I'm going to do is just slowly add the resin to the outside of it. And I just want to add enough just to cover the bottom. And I'm going to do the same for all 3 of these. Just add enough resin to cover the bottom, because I'm going to add the red and the white in some plastic bags, and I'm going to sort of create a sort of designed to sort of give the illusion that it's like a cross between a wreath and, you know, I'm not sure what I'm going with. I want it to be Christmas themed, so I am sort of playing around with, you know, if this is going to be a 3-tier Christmas wreath or if this is going to be a 3-tiered candy cane. Either way, I wanted the red and white, and all I'm going to do is just continue to pour the resin at the bottom. Sometimes I just kind of go with the flow. If something pops in my mind and I've never done it before, I just kind of, you know, do it and just see how it turns out. And I'm not going to fill this up all the way. I'm just filling it up enough just to coat the bottom. And it's looking really good. It's looking clear. My resin doesn't have any bubbles. I'm just making sure all the bottom part is covered. I'm trying to use as much resin as possible because I don't want any extra resin left over. Otherwise, I have to kind of dump it into something just so it won't go to waste. I'm just cleaning up my mess. And this is the micro powder that I mixed, the wine color. I like this. This sort of looks like, you know, Christmas themed. And this was a little bit of alcohol ink, and then I mixed the casting craft with it too to sort of make the white pop. And all I've done is just place these inside of a plastic bag, and I'm making sure the hole is big enough. I can never cut this hole right. Every time I do any design that requires me to put resin in a plastic bag, I can never get it right because the hole is either too small or too large. And as you can see, I've cut it a little too big. The first time I cut it, it was too small, and I should have just left it alone. But I went back in and cut it, and now the hole is too big, so I have to move really, really fast because it's coming out extremely fast. And of course, I'm making a mess as I go along. But all I'm doing is just going back and forth with alternating red and white swirls. It looks crazy right now, but when it's done, you know, I think it'll look pretty. But I'm just going to keep going around each of the trays with alternating red and white colors. And normally I wouldn't be moving this fast. I would be a little bit more neater, but for just the sake of time, I just sped it up. And then these are the Christmas posters that I'm making along with them. And I wanted these to sort of look like candy canes as well. So instead of the sort of swirly designs, I'm just going to go do a straight red and white pour. And then hopefully when it dries, it'll sort of look like a Christmas candy cane. Okay guys, this is what it's looked like. It's been about 24 hours. Now, the back side doesn't look like a candy cane. The back side kind of looks like a flower, but the front side actually does look like a candy cane when you unwrap it. So what do you guys think? You know, like I said, in my mind, I have all these things going around in my head, you know, as to what I want to do. But I kind of like it. You know, what do you guys think? Does it look like a candy cane? Maybe if we squint our eyes, if I squint my eyes, it will look like a candy cane. But it looks great. I'm happy with it. It's Christmassy, and, you know, I want to do a lot of Christmas themed stuff. And then these are the stands that go with this. All I'm going to do is just open it up. And you can buy a whole kit of these. I think it came in a set of 20. So whenever you're making 3-tiered trays, you want to order these stands that go inside of it. So all I'm doing is attaching all my screws to it and then putting my washer on it so it won't crack. And I'm just going to insert it in on the bottom. I'm just going to lay it flat. The middle one really looks like a candy cane to me. The bottom one, this larger one, sort of looks like a flower. So I guess I kind of got the best of both worlds, because I was trying to go with the flower and then I was trying to go with candy cane. So it's Christmassy. I'll just go with that. And all I'm going to do is just tighten this. Luckily that's the bottom, so you don't have to see the bottom. I like how the top looks. And I'm just going to attach another washer. And then I'm going to put my middle tray on. I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. I'm just going to put this one on, screw this one on as well. And guys, make sure you're thumbing up the video, and I hope that you're leaving comments. Let me know what you think of this video. I hope you like the project. And if you have any better ideas on how I can create a candy cane, I'd love to hear it. But for now, this is just going to be my version of a candy cane. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thanks for supporting me. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you can get more updates on whenever I do new projects. You'll get notifications on it. And again, guys, thank you for watching my channel.